Hey guys, let's see today how to fix 5G network not working on your iPhone. Yeah. So guys, if 5G not working on your iPhone, then here is the fix. So the first fix is, guys, just try to go to control center, and here you just try to turn on airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off again. It will help refresh your network connection to the cellular network. Whatever you had on the network previously, now your network is refreshed. So just go and check if your issue is fixed or not. If it is still not fixed, then we'll move to the next fix. Just go to settings. You can see over here, just tap on it, and now from the settings just try to go to your mobile service. You can see over here, just tap on it, and now guys, you will see that option mobile data options. Just tap on it, and now guys, from here you can get that option voice and data. Just tap on it, and now guys, you can see there are three options coming under the voice and data: 5G auto, 5G on, and LTE. So the first two either you have to choose anyone. So 5G auto, just go and select 5G on. Depends on your geographical location. 5G supporting in your geographical location, it will pick up the 5G network. So whether you have to go select 5G on, but as per the recommendation, better to select the 5G auto. And after that, guys, just go and check if your issue is fixed or not. If it is still not fixed, then we'll move to another fix. Another fix is under the settings. Just again back to the settings, and on the settings page, just try to find the battery. You can see over here, just tap on it, and now guys, you can see over here the low power mode is turned on. Just try to tap to turn off, and just go and check if your issue is fixed or not. If it is still not fixed, then we'll move to another fix, and another fix is this time you can just go and check if it is any update available to your iPhone or not. Just go and so in order to check the updates, just go to general, and now from here you can see over here the software update. Just tap on it, and now guys, you can check. In my case, it's already updated the latest software. So whatever is coming in your iPhone, just go. If it is any updates available, just go and download and install for that. And after that, just go and check. If it is still not fixed, then this time just come to the general again and just try to come down. You can see transfer your reset iPhone, and this time, guys, just try to go for reset network settings. So if you have set the passcode, just pass the passcode, and after that, guys, you can see in reset network setting. So guys, just go for that reset network setting, and after that, guys, just go and check if your issue is fixed or not. If it is still not fixed, then again we have to try another method. This time, guys, you will check the SIM card. Sometimes might be that whatever you insert, the SIM card is not inserted properly. Sometimes faulty or damaged SIM card also, it will impact on your 5G network. So please remove the SIM and insert it again. I'm not gonna to show you how to remove the SIM and insert it again. After that also your issue is not fixed, then what happen, you have to go and contact your carrier to obtain a replacement SIM card, guys. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.